Hello， 大家好，我是住在纽西兰台湾女生莉亚。今天这一集呢，让我们来看一下纽西兰的 Holiday Park。纽西兰的 Top 10 Holiday Park 共有49个据点，地点遍及纽西兰的南北岛。住宿选择从一般的双人房到小木屋、帐篷和露营车营地都有提供。Hi.
Hi.
Would you like to show me your room?
Yes. Come in.
You don't take it off your shoes.
No, we don't take our shoes off. I would in my own house, but not here. Do you want to take your shoes off?
I don't mind. Do you want me to?
No.
So will you sleep with your shoes on?
Yes.
Really?
No. Of course not. No, I take our shoes off when I go to bed.
Okay.
But not before. I have them on in the shower as well.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
This is my closet with my clothes.
Wow, closet. Okay.
Cool, right?
Yeah, cool.
Kitchen?
Kitchen.
Yes. Microwave and mixer. Bread toaster. Water. And I got...
Thank you for pointing out.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know. And I got...
The gas.
Kitchen.
So you cook here, but you don't cook here.
Yes. 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 Cook here and don't cook here.
So when are you gonna use that?
Outside. Sometimes inside. Depends.
Okay.
Big, right? Big living room.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And then the bed.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, are you sure? Yeah? Okay, cool.
And you have a TV. Do you use that?
Yes. I watch
Apple TV.
Netflix, YouTube, whatever.
How much do you pay?
For the rent, $300 a week, everything. Wi-Fi, electricity, water. It's a bit expensive, but
But you don't want to move.
no, I don't want to move. No, I don't
I
want
told
to.
you we have a room available.
I know, but I don't want to live with other people.
Yeah, you don't want to live with me.
No. No, I don't want to live with other people, no.
How many people stay here right now, do you know?
I don't know, but there's no cars, so I think
Just you.
just me, yeah. And my
Really?
girlfriend. Yeah, no, there's no cars, you can see. Oh.
Okay, so it's very quiet right now.
Yes.
So they don't give you cheaper price.
It is a cheaper price because our house is $100 per night for guests.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So 300 actually is cheap.
Yes, yeah, it actually is cheap, yeah. The green thing, to charge
To charge what?
your caravan or, well, it's not charge actually, you just put it in so your caravan has electricity.
So they can take shower here.
Yeah, maybe inside their caravan, but there's the shower building, kitchen. It has an actual kitchen, not like...
So this is look like school accommodation.
Yes, lots of families stay there.
Oh yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
it's like family.
Yeah.
You have like small kitchen
Yeah,
there.
got the bike room, and if you do your laundry, hot tub.
Oh really?
Yes.
Go have a look.
I think it's closed.
Oh.
Sorry, they always close it. Look, yeah. Oh, big hot tub. You get one free 15 minutes if you're a member.
Okay, have you tried?
Yes, many times.
Many times?
Yeah, we're members.
Are you?
Yeah, really. Yeah. These are the bathrooms.
Okay, I don't need to see.
Laundry.
How much do they charge?
$4 per dryer or washer.
Have you seen anyone put shoes into the washer?
Yes. I think you shouldn't.
Okay.
No.
Stay in a school accommodation and once when I opened it, and so my classmates put the shoes into the dryer. I don't know how to.
I don't get why people do that. The big kitchen.
Wow.
You got fridges, you can cook, microwaves, dishes, everything. TVs, fireplace, some wood.
Ooh, it's Mandarin.
That's ours. So you put a tag on it.
What would you do if you open a refrigerator and you see the human fresh?
If I see what?
Human fresh, no. It's just, random idea.
I would close the door and walk away.
I will immediately check something wrong with me and that person is not, the serial killer, the killer is not here. Because usually in the movie, once when you close the door, the person literally just behind you and say, what did you see?
Maybe it's me, you don't know.
Yeah. And I probably will give up. I don't think I can fight.
No. It's to put your hot pan on. So if you're finished cooking, you put it on there, so not on here. This is heat resistant stuff.
Okay, cool. You don't have a rice cooker.
right in front of you.
It's not a rice cooker I use.
No, you use a fancy one?
No, I use the cheapest one.
Oh.
Do you use tea towel in Netherlands?
Yes. Yes.
I'm just saying that it's dirty sometimes.
No, we have our own. Like, I don't use the one other people use. I only use my own because it's dirty. Yeah, it's free stuff. You can.
Don't want it.
Sometimes if we forget salt or, it's like a photo for soy sauce with calamansi. What? I don't know. No clue.
It looks like something can't eat anymore.
Might be true. All-purpose sauce. That's for people who do not know how to cook.
Wow. The colors.
It's disgusting.
I don't want to be judgmental, but
Yes, you can be. Yeah, you want to jump on it? Go jump. Go jump.
hurry! Join me.
No. It's raining.
Have you tried?
No, no.
So where can you go? Only here?
Only here, yeah.
It's not fun.
Why not? For kids, it's a lot of fun. You're not a kid anymore, Leah.
Yeah, true. If I'm a kid, I'm pretty tall.
Tall?
Tall.
No, you're not.
I said
I think I was your height when I was like 10, 11. Yeah.
10 or 11. Actually, I was like this when I 12. And since 12.
You never, yeah. Oh.
Unlike barbecue place, this is a little bit dirty.
Yeah, you have to clean it before you use it, eh?
So, is it for free?
Yes.
And how can you turn it on?
Button. It will turn off like after half an hour, I think, or maybe an hour.
So, you say you travel a lot, right?
Yes.
So, where have you been to? How many countries?
Oh, too many. I've been to America, I've been to Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Norway, Spain, France, Germany, Austria, Portugal, Malta, Costa Rica, and I think some more European countries like Croatia, Greece.
Which one do you like most?
I think Costa Rica, because it's like a big zoo. Monkeys everywhere and other animals.
But you haven't been to Taiwan.
No, not yet, but I will.
And you know that there's something like, I told you before, like Netherlands.
What? I'm sorry, what? You told me before Netherlands and Taiwan.
You say someone Taiwan's backpacker told you in Australia, like your ancestor.
Oh, that, yes, yeah, but I'm not sure if she was from Taiwan. She studied Asian history or something like that.
Okay, so tell me what did you know?
About the Dutch in Taiwan. I know we were there for 4 years. Taiwan was our colony, and it was the Dutch Indian company that discovered Taiwan. So the Spanish had a castle, Fort San Domingo,
Yeah.
and then they had a war with the
Yeah.
Dutch. The Spanish destroyed the
Yeah.
fort. The Dutch rebuilt it
Yeah.
to Fort Antonio. The Dutch are
Yeah.
assholes.
Okay.
We did
Bye
that.
bye.
Bye bye.
好，那这就是今天的影片。如果你喜欢我的频道的话，不要忘记点个喜欢或者是订阅我的频道。我的频道是专门讲纽西兰大小事的。那我们就下周一见喽，拜拜。